Hi, it's Mike from Esri Canada. I'd like to show how you can launch and get started with the coronavirus response template to help you and your team respond to the COVID-19 crisis. What you'll need to start is an ArcGIS online organization where you'll use ArcGIS Hub to create a response site. If you don't have ArcGIS online, you can get an ArcGIS online organization at no cost for 6 months from the Esri Disaster Response Program. A link to the program is in the video description below. You'll just need to fill out the form here to get your organization through the program. Now, to get started, once I have an ArcGIS online organization, which I'm logged into here, and I'm using a creator user type, I can launch the Hub application. Now, once I launch the Hub application, what I'll do is create a new site. When I create a site, I'd like to browse to the templates. When I get to the templates, I'll see that there's a coronavirus response template, which is available to all ArcGIS Hub basic users. Now I can activate this initiative, and I'll give it a name. And then I'll start to create the initiative. So what this is doing is it's creating two groups, an application, the initiative, all within my ArcGIS online organization, which is used to manage the underlying Hub site and all the content that we're going to be working with within the application itself. We'll take a look at what those components are once this finishes. So we can see the response Hub template, but if we go back into ArcGIS Online, we'll see under the groups, I now have two different groups here, a coronavirus environmental content and a coronavirus environmental core team. This is used by the Hub application in ArcGIS Online to help us manage the content. We also have, under the content, we have a Hub initiative, a site application, and a how to use this template guide that are all available here as well. These are all delete protected since they are used by the Hub. We want to make sure they're not accidentally deleted. If we go back into our ArcGIS Hub, we see that we're in the site editor here and we're working directly with the template now. I mentioned that there is that guide that we have. So to use this template, we can get to this page here, which is essentially step-by-step information here about how we can update this guide with local resources, how we can update the branding, add external web pages, local information, other links, and all the information that you want to use for your COVID-19 crisis response. So going through this document is a very thorough way to understand what you can do to make these changes. But if we go back to our initiative site, I'll just show you a few things that you can do right off the bat to start working with the template. It's all very easy to start changing the template around to make it your own. So I may change it to coronavirus environmental hub. You can get rid of the additional text here, all within the site editor. I can change the image that I'd like to use as well. Upload a different one that I'll browse to for one that I already have available to me. So I can quickly change the branding, quickly change the images that are available here. So we can see we have something for the coronavirus. We can go through, start to change text for what we have here at the top of the page with some other information that we have. And we can start to drag the positions here of where we would like all of our information that we have available to us, that we have available in the different parts of the site. So I can save that as I'm working through it to commit those changes. And then if I view it, we can see outside of the editor how this is starting to look and how I can start to make these changes to the application. So you now have enough information to get started with the coronavirus response template. In the next video, we'll show how you can continue to customize the template for your response. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you.